Pero as to the two, they will be facing admin cases. We will continue to file admin cases. Let us see where it will go. So, bukod doon sa incident doon sa Ermita, we have a perjured affidavit. I'm still thinking whether or not I should file cases also because they lied to my face. Extremely insulting. A patrolman lying to a commissioner of the National Police Commission. Kasi mismong LTO chief ang nag-text sa akin. Kaya ko nga nalaman tong insidente na to because the LTO coordinated with us. It is insulting. Diba? Another government agency calling out the Philippine National Police. So I was having a heart-to-heart talk with them na huwag natin sirain yung uniforme ng police. Do not destroy the good image of our police. Ako na nagmamakaawa sa inyo. Lahat ng tao, lahat ng police, nagtatrabaho para sa taong bayan. We are serving and protecting our people, putting their lives at risk every single day. All our policemen are doing that. Itong NAPOLCOM doing all for your moral and welfare. And here you are, stopping in Ermita, trying to flex against a fellow motorist. For what? For ego? I think that's the silliest reason. Diba? So, yun nga, I learned about it through the LTO chief personally, yes, last night. And I was deeply bothered. Hence this action. Pero, yeah, the LTO chief needs to do what he needs to do. The NAPOLCOM needs to do what it needs to do. So, bahala na kayong dalawa kung ano gusto nyo gawin sa buhay nyo.